Grace Notes is an unaccompanied program for 12 voices. The goal was to bridge the West as in European antiquity and African sacred music in concert. It's really not about sort of like the location or the context of it, but rather of the sense that you get from playing it or from performing it. And that was the goal, really, to sort of encourage both the singers and the audience to find something within the music for themselves. We are wanting to be enchanted. We are wanting to be taken to a different world. We are wanting to be put in a different time. And I'd like the audience to feel a sense of fulfillment from what they hear.